Hello students, we are starting with a new topic and the topic is Hess law of constant heat of summation. The topic is Hess law of constant heat of summation. Heat means again we are starting with the concept of enthalpy. Again, as we are studying about the enthalpy, the concept is what? Enthalpy is the state function, depends on initial state and final state. The path is independent. The same concept we are going to study Hess law. Hess law states what? That the reaction is being carried out in single step or the reaction is being carried out in series of steps. It is path independent. The thing is what? Here you can see that overall the reaction is being carried out, overall the enthalpy change of the reaction or the sum of enthalpies of the independent of the reaction, the value is going to be the same. Suppose if I am taking the example of A which is being converted into C. A which is being converted into C and I am going to get the value of enthalpy over here is going to be around 800 kilojoule. Right? So the thing is what कि A को C में convert कर दिए. इससे related हम लोगों ने एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल पहले भी वीडियोस में देखा था. A is equals to B, B is equals to C, automatically A is equals to C. एक छोटा सा illustration देख रहे हैं हम लोग. ये कैसा है ना, अगर मैं A को convert करती हूँ B में, तो मुझे क्या मिलता है कि मैंने ना एंथैल्पी लिया है और मुझे 400 किलोजूल मिल रहा है. सेकेंड स्टेप, B is equals to C. Again I am taking enthalpy of reaction. ये मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप है, ये मेरा सेकेंड है and I am writing again 400 kilojoule. Now you must have understood that after I have taken the series of steps, I am adding that particular type of reaction. B is going to get cancelled. Again I am going to get the same type of reaction, right? A is equals to C and the value of enthalpy of reaction is equals to 800 kilojoule. Students, I don't want to explain you A is equals to. I just want to tell you that whether the reaction is being taken overall, the reaction is being taken in a single step or overall the sum of enthalpy of the reaction is being taken, you can see that the value is going to be the same, right? And also when I am taking the enthalpy of these particular independent series, of these particular type of series, what I have to mention? Yes students, 800 आएगा वो मुझे पता है, मेरे बच्चों को भी पता है कि 800 आएगा. आपको ये लर्न करना है कि क्या आपकी जो वैल्यू रहेगी ना, आपको उसको ऐड करना है. समझ में आया? Summation, constant heat of summation, this is going to be the thing which we have to emphasize. अगर आपको ये समझा, इसका मतलब आपको Hess law of constant heat of summation समझा है. This is the exact formula you can see which we have to learn or which we have to specify. This is the thing. Now what ये मतलब मुझे कहना क्या था कि ये मेरा जो सीरीज का स्टेप था, ये सिर्फ एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल था, लेकिन ये एक्चुअली रिएक्शन नहीं था और इसीलिए हम लोग एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि उसका रिएक्शन ले सकते हैं. सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग N2 plus H2 is going to form N2H4. N2H4. Now here you can see that the value of enthalpy of a reaction is going to be around 95.4 kilojoule. Reaction को बैलेंस करना है and नाइट्रोजन दो, ये गैस स्टेट में, हाइड्रोजन गैस स्टेट में, ये भी गैस स्टेट में. बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे मैं 2 लूंगी. स्टूडेंट्स, ये मेरा पहला सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप हुआ. यस, रिएक्शन सीरीज में हो रहा है और ये मेरा पहला स्टेप हुआ. सेकेंड स्टेप इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक N2H4 plus I am taking H2 which is going to form NH3. Yes, gas state. This is again going to be the gas state. The value is going to be, yes, around minus 187.6 kilojoule. Yes, the total value you can see that is what? Now you can see that N2H4 is definitely going to get cancelled. Yes, N2 डालेंगे, 3H2 is N2 gas state, 3H2 is going to form. Yes, इसको बैलेंस करना चाहिए था ना. अब इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने 2 लेना है, सॉरी ये सिर्फ इधर 2 लेना है, रिएक्शन बैलेंस हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगी 2NH3 और मेरा एंथैल्पी का वैल्यू आएगा -92.2 किलोजूल. सो द थिंग इज व्हाट, यहाँ पे वापस आपको इसको ऐड करना है. तो constant heat of summation. Hess law of constant heat of summation is what? That the enthalpy change that accompanies which has been dependent on the initial state of the reactant and final state of the product. Yes, initial state of the reactant or the final state of the product, and it is path independent. Yes, through which the reaction is been carried out or which has been brought about. You can see that यहाँ पे हम लोग ने observe किया what that enthalpy state function. It is though the reaction is been carried out in a single step or the series of steps, the value of enthalpy is going to be the same. Yes, whether the reaction is being carried out in single step or whether the reaction is being carried out in the series of steps, the value of enthalpy is going to be same. That is which is being emphasized by the path independent. Now we have studied two most important things. First, we have studied the statement, initial state which has been dependent, final state is dependent, and the path is independent. The second thing which we have discussed was what? The formula. Now the third most important thing which we have to emphasize is the applications based on this. Yes, students, applications based on these. What are the applications? The number one application. Yes, Hess law के applications क्या है, कहाँ पे use हो सकता है? Applications means Hess law is being used for the standard enthalpy of formation, combustion, ionization, and atomization. Yes, इन सब के लिए enthalpy Hess law of constant rate of summation use होगा. Second, yes, though the reaction has been carried out in single step or series of step, जो भी reaction series of step होगा, definitely इस constant rate of summation use होगा उसमें. थर्ड स्टेप, रिएक्शन अगर स्लो होगा फास्ट होगा, डेफिनेटली उसमें भी हम लोग को कांस्टेंट हीट ऑफ समेशन मिलेगा. यस, फोर्थ रिएक्शन व्हिच इज बीन कैरिड आउट एक्सपेरिमेंटली, डेफिनेटली हम लोग कांस्टेंट हीट ऑफ समेशन से उसको कैरी आउट कर सकते हैं. ये स्टूडेंट, ये चार एप्लीकेशन जिसको हम लोग को पढ़ना है, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट? द एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड ऑन कांस्टेंट हीट ऑफ समेशन. यस, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट एप्लीकेशन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 1, पहला पॉइंट application Hess law of constant heat of summation, that it is being used just to calculate the value of standard heat of formation, standard enthalpy of combustion, ionization, atomization. Second, it is being used to the reaction which is being carried out in single step or it is being carried out in the series of steps. Third, you can see it is being carried out, yes, the reaction which is being carried out experimentally. Yes, उसके लिए भी काम आएगा. Fourth, यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये जो भी रिएक्शन जो भी कैरिड आउट हो गए, यस, जो सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप में हुए या सिंगल स्टेप में हुए, जो स्लो होंगे, फास्ट होंगे, उन सब के लिए भी हेस लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट हीट ऑफ समेशन यूज होगा. तो ये चार पॉइंट अपने एप्लीकेशन के यूज हुए. ये स्टूडेंट एप्लीकेशंस के साथ पढ़ना जरूरी है. हमको एग्जांपल रिएक्शन के ऊपर ये इसीलिए लिया ताकि इजीली समझ सके और फॉर्मूला हमको लर्न हो सके, और रिएक्शन के ऊपर बेस एग्जांपल दिए. So the whole concept of Hess law of constant rate of summation is what? कि इसके ऊपर बेस एंट्रेंस में अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता ही है. यस, क्योंकि हम लोग को ये फॉर्मूला आना बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. स्टूडेंट, आई बिलीव यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड the Hess law of constant rate of summation. First thing, you are going to learn the statement, overall the enthalpy change of the reaction or the sum of enthalpies of the reaction which has been carried out in series is going to be the same. Yes, ये है स्टेटमेंट रहेगा. दूसरा, आपको फॉर्मूला लर्न करना है. तीसरा, आपको एग्जांपल पता रहना चाहिए. फोर्थ, यू मस्ट नो द एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. सो द हियर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द होल कांसेप्ट ऑफ Hess law of constant heat of summation. Yes, students, do study at home. Thank you.